This is the one of the best numerical of work transfer of thermodynamics chapter 2, and question is like this. A piston cylinder arrangement shown in figure is restrained by two springs as shown in figure. There are two springs. The system contained air initially at a pressure of 150 kilopascal and volume of 0.002 cubic meter. Heat is added to the system until its volume doubles. Find the total work transfer. Escape process on PV diagram. Both springs have the same constant of 100 kilonewton per meter. This is the question. So first, what are the given? Given is initial pressure 150 kilopascal and initial volume 0.002 cubic meter, and a spring constant of each spring is this much, and final volume is doubled, so final volume V3 is 2V1. And initially here the spring is connected to the piston, but this spring is hanging over. So after movement of 10 centimeter, the pistons will touch both another spring, and then the pressure due will be the both spring. Now calculate the work done by the air, total work. For that, for first 10 centimeter movement, there act only one spring. So only one is due to only one spring, pressure will be considered, and other atmospheric and pressure will be considered. So as for initial condition, that is state 1, the height of the cylinder is given, so we can find the diameter of the piston. And so using the formula V is equal to pi d square by 4, that is cross section area into height. Height is 0.2 means 0.2 meter means 20 centimeter. Now put the value of V1 and pi by 4 and d square and into 0.2. So from this we can calculate the diameter of the piston, and it comes to be this much. Again we have V1 is equal to how much? Area into height. So from that we can calculate the area, and area of the piston becomes this much, 0.01 square meter, area of the piston. Now when piston moves from this state to this state, that is when it moves 10 centimeter above, then what will be the volume at this state? State 2. What will be the volume? The volume will be cross section area of piston into height, total height up to here, that is 10 plus 20, that 30 centimeter. So volume will be area, initial volume this, and area into this height. We can directly calculate area into total height also. Here volume 1 plus volume of movement of piston from this state to this state is calculated. So you can calculate directly area of the piston and total height. So at state 2, when piston reaches 10 centimeter more, then the volume will be this much. And we have in question, it is asked that sketch the process on PV diagram. So we can easily draw the process on PV diagram. We know the initial state, pressure, volumes are given, so we can locate the any point for state 1 initial state 1. Now the as piston moves, external pressure exerted on piston is due to the spring. So during this movement, pressure as pressure increases, volume also is increasing. So the line will be straight and inclined. So from this state to this state, the process will be 1 to 2 like this. Now as moves from because finally its volume doubles, so 10 centimeter more movement is there, and during that both spring acts, so the pressure due to both spring will be considered for final state 3. Now for a state pressure of a state 2 can be find because if you force balance P2 into area equal P1 into area, initial pressure plus pressure due to spring, and from that we can calculate the pressure P2, and P3 we can find pressure P2 plus pressure due to that is pressure of air at state 2 and pressure due to both spring during again 10 centimeter movement. So pressure P3 final pressure will be pressure at 2 P2 plus pressure due to both spring. So this is the force due to one spring is Kx, so both spring will be 2Kx because the K is same for both spring. If it is different value, then the sum of the force due to each will be considered here. So now same as the stiffness is K, value of K is same for both spring. So 2Kx is the force exerted by the spring during movement from 2 state to 3 state, and dividing by the cross section area of the piston, we can get the final pressure, and this comes to be this. So now calculate the total work. Work will be work done during movement from 1 to 2, that is during process 1 to 2, plus work done during process 2 to 3. And this can be easily calculated because both have the trapezoid shape. So you can find the area, and area gives the work done. So for state 1 to 2, the area will be P1, this parallel side, average of these two parallel sides, P1 plus P2 by 2 into distance between two parallel sides, that is V2 minus V1. And press and work done during 2 to 3 process will be P2 plus P3 by 2, that is average of these two parallel sides, and distance between two parallel sides will be V3 minus V2. And like this we can calculate the work done. 1 to work done, P1 plus P2 by 2 into V2 minus V1, plus work done during 2 to 3 process, P2 plus P3 by 2 into V3 minus V2. And after putting the value, the total work will be 2.8 kilojoule. Thank you.